Good morning to all. My dear students, I am KV Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambiraupet, Rajana Sirsilla. Subject zoology. Today topic is rabbit respiratory system. Rabbit respiratory system. Rabbit is a terrestrial animal, so it exhibits pulmonary respiration. The respiratory system of rabbit consists of two components. How many components? Two components. They are respiratory tract and respiratory organs. Respiratory tract and respiratory organs. First we discuss about this respiratory tract. Respiratory tract is the passage through which air passes from the atmosphere to the lungs and back. It consists of the following parts. Respiratory tract is the passage through which air passes from the atmosphere to the lungs and back. It is consists of following parts. First, external nostrils. A pair of oval external nostrils obliquely placed at the tip of the snout. They open into nasal chambers. Next, nasal chambers. Nasal chambers are situated above the buccal cavity and are separated from the buccal cavity by the palate. The two nasal chambers are separated from each other by nasal septum. The nasal chamber has three functions. Nasal chambers has three functions. One is a olfactory epithelium of the nasal chamber functions as the olfactory receptor or the organ of smell. The air chamber functions as the air conditioner to bring up the temperature of the inhaled air to that of the body. The air chamber functions as the air conditioner to bring up the temperature of the inhaled air to that of the body. The air present in the nasal chamber functions as a sieve to filter the dust particles of the air. This is the nasal chamber as a three functions. Next, internal nostrils. The two nasal chambers open into the pharynx by a pair of openings called internal nostrils. Next, pharynx. The region of the pharynx where the internal nostrils open is called nasopharynx. Nasopharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for food and air. The floor of the pharynx has a slight like opening called glottis. It is guarded by bilobed flap called epiglottis. Bilobed flap called epiglottis. The epiglottis closes the glottis during swallowing of food or water. Thus, epiglottis closes the glottis during swallowing of food or water. Glottis open into the larynx. It is the voice box. The wall of the larynx is supported by four cartilages, namely thyroid cartilage, A, cricoid cartilage, 2, arytenoid cartilage. The thyroid cartilage is large and shield-like and supported the larynx on the ventral and lateral sides. Behind the thyroid cartilage is a ring-like cricoid cartilage. On the dorsal side of the larynx, there is a pair of the arytenoid cartilage. Each arytenoid cartilage at least anterior end bears a noodle-like cartilage called cartilage of Santoni. The cavity of the larynx is called laryngeal chamber. The laryngeal chamber contains two pairs of membranous folds. Two pairs of membranous folds. These are called vocal cords. Sound is produced due to their vibration. The larynx opens into trachea. Trachea or windpipe. Trachea is a wide, thin-walled tube that passes through the neck on the ventral side of the esophagus and enters the thorax. On entering into the thorax, trachea bifurcates into two branches called primary branch. Each primary branch enters the corresponding lung and divides into secondary bronchi that further divide into tertiary bronchi. The tertiary bronchi are further divided into fine tubulars called bronchioles. bronchioles. The wall of the trachea and the two primary bronchi are supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Cartilaginous rings. This is the respiratory tract. Respiratory tract have external nostrils, nasal chambers, and internal nostrils, pharynx, and larynx. And trachea. Next we discuss about this respiratory organs. In rabbit, a pair of pinkish and spongy lungs is present in the thoracic cavity, one on either side of heart. Each lung is enclosed by two membranes called a pleura. Each lung is enclosed by two membranes called pleura. The outer membrane is called parietal pheryon. The inner membrane is called vesicular pheryon. A narrow space lies between two pleura. It is called pleural cavity. It is called pleural cavity. It is filled with pleural fluid. Pleural fluid. This fluid acts as a lubricant. This fluid acts as a lubricant. Right lung of rabbit has 4 lobes. Right lungs of rabbit has 4 lobes. One is the anterior azygos, right anterior lobe, right posterior lobe, posterior azygos lobe. Left lungs has 2 lobes. Left anterior lobe, left posterior lobe. Arterial azygos lobe, right bronchus, right anterior lobe, and right posterior lobe. Posterior azygos lobe. This is the right lungs or rabbit has 4 lobes, and left lungs has 2 lobes. They are left anterior lobe, left posterior lobe. In each lung, the bronchiole is divided into fine tubulars called alveolar ducts. Alveolar ducts. Each alveolar duct opens into a chamber called alveolar sac. Alveolar sac. The alveolar sac give out several small pouches called alveoli. or air sacs. What is called? Alveoli or air sacs. A group of alveoli looks like a bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. The wall of alveoli is extremely thin and is made of elastic connective tissue fibers and surrounded by a fine network of capillaries. Fine network of capillaries. Again, next, in each lung, the bronchioles divide into fine tubules called alveolar ducts. Each alveolar ducts open into a chamber called alveolar sac. The alveolar sac give out several small pouches called alveoli or air sacs. Air sacs. A group of alveoli looks like a bunch of grapes. Look like a bunch of grapes. The wall of the alveoli is extremely thin and is made of elastic connective tissue fibers and surrounded by a fine network of capillaries. Next, mechanism of respiration. Respiration is the taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Respiration occurs in two stages. They are inspiration and expiration. Inspiration and expiration. Respiration is brought about by diaphragm and intercostal muscles. First, inspiration. It is an active process. Inspiration is a stage of respiration where atmospheric air is brought into the lungs. Inspiration takes place by the contraction of the muscles of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. As a result, the volume of thoracic cavity is increases. As thoracic cavity expands, air pressure in lungs decreases. Atmospheric air is drawn into the alveoli of lungs. Next, expiration. It is a passive process. It is a passive process. Release of alveolar air to the exterior is called expiration. Relaxation of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles returns the diaphragm and sternum to their normal position and reduce the thoracic volume. Decrease in thoracic cavity causes recoil of lungs and expulsion of air from alveoli into atmosphere. Alveoli in atmosphere. Alveoli into atmosphere. This is the expiration. Next again, rapid is the perimeter animals and exhibits the pulmonary respiration. The respiration systems of the rapid consist of the two components. They are respiratory tract, respiratory organs. First of all, respiratory tract. It consists of the following parts. One is the external nostrils, nostril chambers. Nostril chambers has three functions. The olfactory epithelium of the nasal chamber functions as the olfactory receptors of the organs of smell, and their chambers of the functions as the air conditioner to bring up the temperature of the solid air to that of the body. The hairs present in the nasal chamber functions as a sleeve to the filter the dust particles of the air. Third part of the internal nostrils and fourth part of the pharynx, fifth part of the larynx, sixth is the tracheus or windpipe. Internal nostrils, the two nasal chamber open into the pharynx by a pair of opening called internal nostrils. Pharynx. It is the region of the pharynx where is the internal nostrils open is called nasopharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for the food and air. The floor of the pharynx has a slight like opening called glottis. It is coated by bilobed fluff called epiglottis. The epiglottis close the glottis during the swallowing of food or water. Glottis opening into the larynx. It is the sound box and also is the voice box. The wall of the larynx is there supported by four cartilages, and on the dorsal side of the larynx there is a pair of the arytenoids cartilages, and it is listed the interior base of the nodules like cartilage called the cartilage of the centrals. The cavity of the larynx is called laryngeal chamber. The laryngeal chamber contains two pairs of the membranes of the larynx is called the laryngeal chamber. It is called the fold. There are called vocal cords. Sound produced due to their vibration. Larynx open into the trachea. Trachea and or windpipe. Trachea is a wide thin called the tube that passes through the neck and the ventrals. Next, respiratory organs. Respiratory organs. In the rabbit, a pair of the pinkish or spongy lungs is present in the thoracic cavity, and in the other side of the heart, each lung is enclosed by two membranes called a pleura. The outer membrane is called a atrial pleuron. Their inner membrane is called a visceral pleuron. A narrow space is lies between the two pleura. It is called a pleural cavity. It is filled with a pleural fluid. This fluid acts as a lubricant. Next, right lungs of rabbit has a 4 lobes, and left lungs has a 2 lobes. Right lungs of the rabbit has a 4 lobes. They are anterior azygous, right anterior lobe, right posterior lobe, posterior aginous lobe. The left lungs has 2 lobes. They are left anterior lobe and left posterior lobe. These lungs are the bronchus divided into the fine tubular called alveolar ducts. Alveolar ducts opens into a chamber called alveolar sac. The alveolar sac gives out several small pouches called alveoli or air sacs. A group of the alveoli look like a bunch of grapes. The wall of the alveolus is extremely thin and is made of a elastic conductive tissue fibrous and surrounding by a fine network of capillaries. And next is mechanism of respiration. Mechanism respiration is the taking of the oxygen and giving of the carbon dioxide. Occurs in the 2 stages, the inspiration and expiration. Expiration is the breath about by diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. It is an inspiration. Mechanism is respiration. Respiration is the taking of the oxygen and giving of the carbon dioxide. Respiration occurs in the 2 stages. They are the inspiration and 2 is the expiration. Respiration is brought into the about by the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. Inspiration is an active process. Inspiration is a stages of the respiration where atmosphere air is like a brought in into the lungs. Inspiration is takes a place by the contractions of the muscles of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. As a result, in the volume of the thoracic cavity is increases. As thoracic cavity is expands, is pressure in lungs decreases. Atmospheric air is drawn into the alveoli of lungs. Next, expiration. It is a positive process. Release of alveolar air to the exterior is called expiration. Relaxation of the diaphragm and the anterior costal muscles returns the diaphragm and the sternum and to their normal position and reduced to the thoracic volume. The decrease in the thoracic cavity causes recoil of the lungs and explosion of the air from the alveoli into atmosphere. This is the rabbit respiration system. Thank you very much.